Hello, come my friends. Let's learn how to be happy, smiling, blessed with all the abundance of life. And that you can say that we should be successful in life. As you know, the success is the progressive realization of the worthy ideals of life, the purpose of life, the definite chief aim of our life. So before we succeed, we must have our fixed purpose, a goal in life, a destination, what we want, and the knowledge of what we want to achieve in our life. If that is fixed, then well begun is half done. With a burning desire, backed by faith, decided, started immediately without waiting for a moment, no procrastination, no fear, no doubt, no hesitation, no indecisiveness, working persistently towards its realization with a well organized planning, seeking help from the experts, that is the Mastermind Alliance group, and never to yield. That will make really happy and successful in life. And it is my duty and privilege to say what we all believe, and not without reason, that nothing is impossible for you if you back your burning desire with enduring faith. To all these, what I wish to convey, the thought that all achievement, no matter what may be its nature or its purpose, must begin with an intense burning desire for something definite in life. That is the really beginning of all the journey towards greatness and success in life. That is, have a definite goal, a mission, a vision, an obsessed desire, what you want to achieve in your life. Now let's discuss how to do that. In that context, I want to remind you on a great poem by Ernest, William Ernest Henley. What he said, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced or cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of shade. Yet the menace of years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment they scroll. I am the master of my fate, and I am the captain of my soul. Dear friends, you must have understood what message this poem is conveying when you are desiring, dreaming, persevering, persisting towards the attainment of your goal. You are bound to meet with lot of adversities, lot of misfortune, lot of difficulties, hindrances and obstacles of life. As the poet himself has faced in the early days of his life, so he wrote this poem. You have not to yield before the difficulties, before the defeats and failures, because they are just testing your patience. Be brave, be great. And what Henry Wadsworth Longfellow said, in the world broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a dumb driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. If you have the heart of a hero, you are bound to be successful in life, you are bound to be great in life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be brave, set sail towards the attainment of your definite chief aim in life, or you are bound to be successful. Nothing can stop you, nothing can resist you, because you are invincible, all-conquering power of your purpose is backing you. And you are victorious, you are a champion. You are a winner. You know only one thing: win or perish, victory or death, do or die, no retreat. You have placed your back against the wall and you are fighting with all your might. And before your mighty purpose, everything will melt down. All difficulties, all dangers, all misfortune will vanish within no time. You are success. You are great. Go ahead. Get it. Everything is waiting for you. But tread on all the difficulties and dangers with a giant willpower. Thank you very much for watching this video.